Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you are all doing great. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Shakira and in our channel you are going to see day-to-day vlogs from my life. So today's video is all about my IKEA haul. Last week I went to IKEA and there was a nice sale going on kitchen products, and I love kitchen products. So I ordered few things online and I got a big box of products. I just can't wait to open them. I just wanted to open in front of you guys, so that's why I waited for 2 days, but now I can't wait. So here is a huge box. I'll open it and I'll show one by one and I'll mention the prices too. So let's start the video.
I ordered many things, but everything came in a single box. As soon as I opened the box, I noticed a major thing that bubble wrap was not used. Without the bubble wrap, they wrapped everything in a paper and everything was safe, nothing was broken, neatly stacked. And one more thing, please do check out the description box for all these links. I'll be mentioning all of them. And let me remove everything, let me unpack, and then I'll show you one by one.
So now everything is out. First one is this one. This is a huge box. I ordered 2 of these. I needed these to store rice and atta. And easily we can store 5 kgs of rice and 5 kgs of atta, and we can even open like this. On a day-to-day basis, we need not remove the lid completely. We can simply open this, and I even ordered these scoops for both the boxes so that it's easy to take, and these are matching with the box too. So this is the first product. I took 2 of these, and I'll do one thing. I'll mention the prices on the screen. That would be easy for you to read, because I really don't remember all the prices now because so many things are there. And the next one is this one, bag clips, and this is 99 rupees. I got 20 smaller ones and 10 bigger ones. These come very handy when we want to reseal the chips packets and snack packets, and I really needed this. And the next one is soap dispenser. This is made of glass and the pump is made of plastic, and this is really nice, and this was on sale for only 50 rupees. This is so nice, right? And I got this tray as well for 50 rupees. This is a plastic one. I just want to use it in the kitchen. I can fill this soap dispenser with the Vim liquid, and I can put a sponge here, and this will look nice as a set. So these both together they came for 100 rupees. That's so nice, right? So let's see other items. Next item is this one, airtight jar. So they have very heavy lid and I can use them for storing nuts, snacks or pickles. I ordered 3 of these. I guess these are 169 rupees each. Last week I visited IKEA, and I generally go to IKEA many times. But I found them very cheap this time, and there was a huge sale on kitchen containers especially, so I grabbed the best ones. So these are the 3 I got, and these small boxes also I ordered. They came as a set, 3 boxes, and they have plastic cap, airtight cap, and these are really good to store any leftover chutneys, green chutney or red chutney, any leftover small quantity items we can store in fridge. Actually, I am removing all the plastic items from my kitchen, so slowly I'm transitioning towards the glass items. So that's why I ordered these, so that I can store whatever the leftover items or some vegetables or those kind of things. So these are the small ones. They came as a set, three boxes in one set. And this one, this is a shelf unit. It looks like this. It has 4 shelves. And I really needed this for my utility balcony. I need to store all the dishwashing liquid and the washing machine liquids and all these things. So I need to assemble this. It would be a simple assembly. I didn't open this yet. I'll assemble and show you how it looks like. And I also ordered some of the boxes. This one is a deeper one, and this is rectangular, and this is a square one. Each one I ordered 3 pieces. I needed few boxes to store the vegetables and the curry leaves, green chilies, all these kind of things. And all these boxes came with these kind of lids. These are airtight. So I really liked all these things, and they came in very good package and nothing was broken. It was so nice to see them in reality. I was waiting for this box. I ordered like 1 week back and they came yesterday, and I'm so happy with this purchase, and I'm so happy with this delivery. Keep watching our vlogs, and if you didn't subscribe to me yet, please subscribe now and hit the bell icon, and see you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.